Hello, my name is Aiden Johnston. I'm a two-time contracted member of the Santa Clara Vanguard Drum and Bugle Corps, and I built DCIJudge.com, an end-to-end neural network pipeline for judging drum corps international shows. During my 2 seasons marching, the subjectivity of the judging process kept bugging me, so I built this project as a proof of concept. I scraped DCI scoring data back to 2013 and processed over 6,000 minutes of DCI shows. I then used lmao to extract audio features to create a dataset used for training my judging model. The biggest hurdle was definitely my hardware. Every slight architecture tweak took 15 minutes to retrain on my RTX 4070, and over the hundreds of tweaks I did, that time added up to months. I got the system down to a test loss of 0.8674 and a test MAE of 1.2869 and decided to call it there. How it works: the user finds a YouTube link of a DCI show they want to judge, pastes it into my SAT-XQs for front end, sends it to the back end where it downloads the video using YTDLP, turns it into a WAV file using FFmpeg and sound file, splits it into 30-second chunks, extracts audio features using lmao, feeds it through the model, and then gives us a music score out of 30. When I started to deploy it on the internet, we started running into issues of YouTube flagging it as a bot. I tried to remedy this with a headless 2FA cookie writer, a bunch of third-party YouTube services, but nothing was working. I then built a custom proxy on my network using Squid Proxy, configured port forwarding on my router, and used my PC as a server, and it worked. As I was planning my Maker portfolio, I realized all this proxy stuff and bot flagging issues could be easily solved if I made it run locally instead of on a fancy website, so I was able to fix that in 2 days. It's so much simpler now. I learned a lot from this project. Got a ton of experience with Python and TensorFlow, the Flask backend, a little bit of Docker, Squid Proxy, a stat amount of TypeScript, and that I want to stay away from AWS for as long as I possibly can. Even with the model test accuracy being great, the scores being given are very, very different from what they're given on the field, which highlights how subjective the scoring process really is and how computers can't process that human emotional element just yet. I plan on continuing to build stuff like this wherever I end up because it's fun. Thank you for watching.